Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spot trades in just 5 seconds. First, I want you to know that there's one crucial thing you can't do without in trading, right? Most especially when doing analysis. There's one crucial thing you can't do without, right? What's that thing? It's support and resistance. You see, support and resistance, you can't do without it. No matter what strategy you're using, you still have to look at support and resistance levels, even supply and demand levels, right? It's almost the same thing. Those are the things you have to look at, right? And you can't do without them. All right, now I'm going to be showing you how to quickly spot a good trade, right? And using the support and resistance key levels. So without wasting much of your time, let's head to the chart. All right, you can imagine spotting a trade in just 5 seconds, right? Let me show you how. So right here, this is my chart, and okay, now this is the go chart and the 5 minute time frame, right? So I'm just going to go back to yesterday trade, right? And let me quickly show you the trade I spotted yesterday. It was very fast, right? Very fast. So as you can see here is yesterday, right? From the, as you can see, this blue color right here, this blue shade right here is the Asian session, the green is the London session, and the yellow is the New York session. I actually do trade London and New York session, but I prefer trading the New York session because most move happens during the New York session, right? So I do trade most at times I do trade the New York session, even if I'm to trade London sessions towards the ending of the London section, right? So right now I'm going to show you how to quickly spot a trade just within 5 seconds, right? It won't take much of your time. This is the 30-minute time frame, right? And as you can see, this is the chart, right? Now, this was yesterday, right? What I did was I just marked the Asian high, right, of yesterday, right? When I came to my chart, what I did, I marked the high, the Asian high, which is right here. As you can see, that's the Asian high. And what I did, now, immediately after the break of the Asian high, let's see that you can see this was the break of the Asian high, and it came back to retest it, right, and continue upward. So immediately after the break of this Asian high, what I did was that I just spotted support level, right, or a demand zone, right. Let's do it this way. So that's the support level right there, and also if you want to extend it, it's also a demand level on the 30-minute time frame, right? You can see that's the demand level on the 30-minute time frame. So that's what I just do. I spotted this zone just right below the Asian high, right? I just spotted that quickly. It was that easy, right? You don't have anything to waste, right? You don't have any time to waste. You just spot a resistance, a support or resistance level, or a demand or supply level. So what I did was I spot that place and wait for price to come in there, and price came in there, and as you can see, it just started into it and started going upward. But one other thing I added, which you can add, you can use something like this and you can add to it, right? And that's what I'm trying to add. I said I'm going to be adding something, right, to my strategy, and I'm going to be testing it out for a few days or probably in a month, right? And let's see how it's going to be, right? And also, I think maybe I'm going to be revealing that in the future. I don't know. It might be for free or for, well, I don't know till then. So now what I did is I moved down to the lower time frame, which is the 5-minute time frame, and I spot I wait for confirmation before taking the buys, right? Before taking the buys, right? So right now, as you can see, this was the support level right here. This was the support level right here. So now, if you want to look for your confirmation, you can also use the uh, demand zone in this lower time frame, right, as your confirmation, right? You can see it right here. You can use this as your confirmation. Immediately price tapped into that zone, it's bounced off it, right? Immediately it tapped into the zone, it bounced off it and came back right into that zone, right? As you can see, price came back into that zone. So you can just set a buy limit order right here, stop loss below this zone, and target the next high, right? As you can see, it's a good 3 hour trade, right? That was a good 3 hour trade. 3.89 RR, right? Risk to reward ratio. And that was a perfect trade. But me, I didn't what is it called? I didn't take trade from there, right? Normally I do, that's how I do trade, right? I'll take trade from that demand zone, but right now I said I'm adding something, a little confirmation, right? I'm going to be adding a little confirmation, which I already start testing out, right? Right? And I'm still going to be documenting that on YouTube here. So make sure you do well to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop content on this channel, right? And also do well to share this content, right? To share this content to your family and friends, and like this video if you know you gain something from this video. Do well to like this video, right? So as you can see, uh, price bounce off this demand zone and started to go up. So now my own confirmation, I didn't enter directly from there. I think I entered from somewhere here, right? So that's it. Enter from somewhere there. Okay. So though I'm not going to be showing you the confirmation, I'm not going to show you the confirmation right here. So if you want to learn that, maybe you have to hit me up on Instagram, or maybe personally. And that would be something like a mentorship program if you want to learn exactly how I trade, right? So I won't be showing that yet. So that's how to spot a trade quickly under 5 seconds. As you can see, it didn't take me time, right? But once I came into the chart to identify my zones and wait for price to come back into that zone, wait for my confirmation, and I take it. And let's assuming I didn't get any confirmation, I was not going to enter any trade, right? If I didn't get any confirmation, I won't enter the trade, and that's that for that. All right. Hope you enjoyed this content. Please do well to share this to family and friends. Thanks for watching, and peace.